Module 4. Model of cells, the basic units of life. Cell is the basic unit of structure and organization in organisms. Are you ready to travel deeper into the world of cells? But first, let us take a look at the objective. Today, we're going to examine what is inside a typical cell, specifically the organelles found in both plant and animal cells. Parts of a typical cell. Here are the organelles found in both animal and plant cells: nucleus, nuclear membrane, cell membrane, cytoplasm, vacuole, mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, centrosome, and lysosome. First is the nucleus, which is known as the command center or brain of the cell. It is considered as a cell's brain because, just like the human brain, it directs all the cell's activities. It also contains majority of the cell's deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, which carries the instructions the organism needs to develop. Next is the nuclear membrane, also known as the nuclear envelope. It is the outer covering of the nucleus of the eukaryotic cell. It separates the contents of the nucleus from the rest of the cell and keeps the DNA safe from chemical reactions that take place outside the nucleus. A eukaryotic cell, or simply a eukaryote, is a type of cell that contains true nucleus or membrane-bound nucleus. The next organelle is the cell membrane, the semi-permeable outer layer of both plant and animal cells. It serves as the cell's protection from unwanted substances outside the cell. It also regulates the transport of substances in and out of the cell. Cytoplasm, the cell's factory floor. Most of the cell organelles are found floating on its jelly-like surface. This is also where most of the chemical reactions inside the cell take place. Next is the vacuole. The vacuole serves as the cell's storage of water and other nutrients needed for an organism to survive. It also provides the cell structural support. Mitochondria, the sausage-like structure found inside the cell. This is considered as the powerhouse of the cell for the role it plays in cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is the process by which the energy from the food we eat is turned into usable energy needed for different essential processes of life. The Golgi body, also called Golgi apparatus, is the cell's packaging center. Its role is to modify, sort, and pack essential molecules such as proteins and lipids. Next is the ribosome. Ribosomes are small round structures that either float freely on the cytoplasm or found attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. These round organelles make proteins which are needed by the cell for repairing damage and irregular chemical processes. Endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, is known as the transfer network of the cell. It is the one that transports synthesized proteins and vesicles to the Golgi body where they will be packaged. It is classified into two, the rough ER and the smooth ER. What is the difference between rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Rough ER contains ribosomes and is involved in protein synthesis, whereas smooth ER lacks ribosomes and is involved in lipid synthesis. Centrosome. Centrosome is an organelle which serves as the cell's main microtubule organizing center, or MTOC. Aside from organizing microtubules, it also provides structure for the cell. It also aids in cell division by pulling chromatids apart. The last organelle is the lysosome. Lysosome contains enzymes which digest foreign materials and work on cell parts. When the cell is damaged, the lysosome acts as a suicide bag and self-destructs to release enzymes capable of destroying the cell membrane or cell wall and inducing death to the entire cell. Do you have questions about the organelles present in a typical cell? Comment below. Thank you!